Hey guys, this is me Rahul and you are watching TechSoblog YouTube channel, and today in this video I will do the unboxing and review of the Realme GT 5G phone, which is one of the most affordable flagship phone with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. So let's get started.
So here is the box, which is pretty large in size, and over the back we see the main highlight features of the smartphone. And I got the 8GB 128GB storage variant, and there is also 12GB 256GB storage option available in the market. So let's open this up and see what do we get inside the box. A welcome message from Realme. This is the ejectable SIM card tool, documentation, and a plastic silicone clean case. We do get the Type-C to USB cable and a 65W Super Dart charger. And of course we have the device, and here it is. We got the racing yellow color, and I personally like the dual tone color of this phone, which has a yellow textured part that is vegan leather, and it has a shining Realme logo and a black strip that looks really cool. And it feels light and thin while holding it. Now let's take a look at the physical overview of this phone. We have the volume droppers on the left along with the ejectable SIM slot that supports dual nano SIM. Over the top we see a microphone, and the power button is on the right side with yellow accent. While at the bottom it houses another microphone, Type-C charging port, stereo speaker, and interestingly it has 3.5mm headphone jack. Now moving over to the display, which is 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel with super smooth 120Hz refresh rate support, which is backed by 360Hz touch sampling rate. And we do have in-display fingerprint sensor, which is very fast. There is triple camera setup on the rear that has 64MP main camera with Sony IMX682 sensor plus 8MP ultra wide angle camera with up to 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with 21.8mm focal length support. Here are some of the photos and videos taken by using Realme GT phone, which came out to be decent, I can say. These are other bunch of camera features included, such as time-lapse, slow motion video, Expert Pro, dual view video, and more. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch cutout at the top left corner with up to 78° field of view support. Here is the selfie photos taken that quietly work good on this device. There is no doubt that This is one of the most powerful handsets because it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with Adreno 660 GPU that is capable of handling heavy multitask smoothly. The gaming experience on this phone was quite interesting with a lag-free interface, and it features a new stainless vapor cooling system to fight the heat. And after a long play, the phone wasn't that hot, but we still experienced significant heat, which is quite okay. The phone has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and they are well balanced with a good loudness. The handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI skin on top, which is fluid and responsive with pretty standard looking. There are a lot of customization available on this that can be changed as per the need. The 4500 mAh battery does a great job on this phone, and it manages well all the applications to reduce the battery consumption. There is 65W Super Dart charger that is incredibly fast, and I was able to charge the device from 0 to 100 in just 37 minutes of time. The smartphone includes dual-band 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. So that is Realme GT.
Three things could have made this phone a masterpiece. One is telephoto lens, wireless charging, and IP rating. But still, it is a great phone with a great performance.
And if you are looking for a device with a powerful performance, decent camera, fast charging support, and of course a cool looking design under a compact price, then I can suggest you to consider this phone.
So that's it in this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And this is me Rahul signing off. See you in the next one.